Oh yeah, we got a wild, crazy police chase video for you today. Get that popcorn ready, because you know what time it is. It's time for the legendary, luxurious truck owners. That's right, the GMCans. They think their truck is luxury, so they say we're about to put our feet all the way down to the depths of Hades and make a mess. Can the boys in blue calm these crazy, wild, luxurious truck runners down, or will the GMCans take those pickup truck feet and stomp a mud hole in the devil and make the boys in blue look like clowns? Let's have a reaction. Action! Let's get downright sinister. The GMCans are in the building. Now y'all know everybody that owns a GMC swear up and down that's a luxury truck. It's just a high-grade Chevy. Uh-oh, he put his fingerprints on the car.
How are y'all? Good, man. Hey, I just noticed it's a rental. Did you put the 10 on?
Oh, it's a rental.
Did it really? All right, that's not a big deal. Have you got your driver's license on?
He pulled him over for a bogus tent tag.
That's okay, man. Yeah, that's fine. Y'all stay around here? Okay.
So they got a rental, and he said he put him over for tent. I thought you couldn't pull people over for tent no more.
Okay. Sounds good, man. I'll get the, you got your driver's license number on you? Yeah. Okay.
Hold on, that sound like Pookisha and Pookie.
Can it be my license? No, but I can figure it out through there. You got an actual license though? You got a... I got a license. Okay, yeah, that's fine.
He called for backup. What is backup doing there? The county brownie?
You got a guy which I used to outrun in high school.
Yeah.
It don't even seem like it no more. Twin. I just told you it don't even seem like it. I used to outrun you in high school.
You see, he called a police officer twin.
Yeah, that's fine.
These Pookies is wild.
No problem at all.
I know that ain't a Chad. That's not a Lee Chung. That's not a Hector. Hectuki. He called an officer twin. That's diabolical. Talking about we used to run in track. That was 50 years ago. Oh, this don't look good.
Hey, man, can you hop back out here and talk to me for a second?
Uh-oh.
Come on, man. Come on. Come talk to me.
Nuh-uh. Not come on, come talk to me. Yeehaw! Yabba dabba doo! Body on earth, foot in hell. Here come my sinister toes, devil. I hope you're ready. He out of there in the GMC. Let's go. Sierra boys. And I ain't talking about the singer. Let me see you 1-2 step on that gas pedal. Pookie out of there. We got Pookie and Pookisha and a GMC acting a fool. I knew something was up when they said they pulled him over for tent. Now you know that's a bogus way to pull people over. The only way they pulling you over for tent, and that mean they got something on you and they want to pull you over. And they have to have an excuse, because they ain't even supposed to pull you over for tent. So he must be wanted. They must know him. He must be a known criminal. Talking about some, we pulled you over for 10. Get out of here. I can see through the, it was a fishbowl in that truck. He had 30% tint. What y'all think that's in there? A 5.7? I mean 5.3 or a 6.2? I'm gonna go 5.3. I mean, it wouldn't matter anyway, because trucks is governed to 120, so it don't even matter. You could be in a TRX. Once you get to 118, it don't. Oh my goodness, he ain't wasting no time. That truck said, "Get off me, little bitch! Get your hands off me! Get your hands off me!" Oh my goodness! What happened? What happened? What? Where'd he go? Oh, he cut out on him? Where'd he go? Did he go off-road? I think he went off-road on him, y'all. Oh my goodness! Fatality! He didn't go off road. They sent him off road. That's crazy. How did he do that to that truck? Oh! Enterprise, you can come pick your truck up. It's on the highway. He destroyed that. He destroyed Enterprise's truck. Hertz Rental. Your truck's on the side of the road. It looks like a pop can. My man said, I'm tired of this. Shang Tsung, your soul is mine. That's crazy. I hope they all right, though. Real stuff, man. I hope Pookie and Pookisha okay. This is crazy, man. Where is this at, man? They doing it like that. Is this Michigan? All right, look at Pookisha and Pookie. Look at Pookie. Built like a donut. He built like a chopped salad, and he ain't never ate a salad in his life. Allegedly. I gotta say allegedly. Look at him.
I got the AC going right there, the best way I can. I got all the other vents, except the one that's going right there.
That's a big guy, man. That's why he survived, because he big. Look how big he is. He built like a linebacker. Boy, he got a big butterball head. What's that in his hand? Is he eating chips? Is the officer eating a bag of chips? Let me get a handful of those. My boy, I'm gonna go to jail.
What's up, bro? You want to go to the hospital? The only way to do that is go to the hospital, and that's okay. I mean, we can go. All right, listen, man. It's my duty to take care of you. So you took a flip.
Oh, he definitely took care of him.
Wait for this tow truck to get here.
You try to send him to heaven. All Pookies go to heaven.
Yeah, it's my call. So, huh? About your cuffs? We put them in the front. Well, it's his car. No, let me back up. I don't want to overstep my bounds. If you were in my car, I'd put you in the front. But it is a violation of policy, and I'm not going to ask him to violate policy, okay? I know it ain't comfortable.
Man, did you hear that lie he just said? If you was in my car, I put you in the front, but it's a violation. So is it a violation or is it just your rule?
I'm not going to ask him to do that because it's a violation of policy, and that would be me asking him to violate policy, and I'm not going to do that. If you were in my car, I'd do it, but I can't do that, okay? So it's his car, all right? It's his call, and I'm not going to ask him to do it, all right?
Man, they not finna put you in the front seat, built like the Incredible Hulk. Stand up. Look how big he is. Man, look how big his hand. His hand's bigger than my whole upper torso. What you doing sagging, man? We gotta stop this, man. I know it's the style, young man, but we gotta stop this.
You're going to slide back. We're going to take you to TMH, okay? Your business phone? All right, we'll figure all that out. I'll talk to you.
Man, he act like he going to the Hilton or something.
I'll work on it.
Bro, they not trying to help you, man.
Slide back. We'll get you. I ain't trying to kill you. I don't ever
He said you tried to take me out. You tried to unalive me. He said you tried to hit me with a fatality, man. This ain't Mortal Kombat. He said you tried to unalive me.
I'll go there and see you. Slide on back and we'll get you there.
My man said you tried to unalive me. No, you tried to unalive yourself when you put your foot all the way down to the depths of hell.
What's up, man? Good. Long time no see.
Not a long time no see. That's got to be embarrassing. People that you grew up with, they arresting you, man. Come on, man.
I ain't gonna be able to go in this one.
You need help?
I probably ain't gonna be able to make it in this one.
Well, that's the only ride you got, brother. You can't ride with me. I got a Velociraptor back there.
You got a Velociraptor back there, huh?
That's the only cars we got. So just keep sliding on back and then just lay back.
I don't know why he think they gonna give him special privileges. It don't work that way, Pookie.
almost there.
See, this is what happened when you keep eating and eating and eating. It's called gluttony. Sometimes you gotta stop, brother.
Move somewhere, slip out your way, man.
At least they being nice to him. Now, people can't say cops ain't nice. These dudes is being nice.
Huh?
He said it was your call. You can't put him in the front now?
Nope. Violation of policy. I can't run. There ain't no more room up there than it is up here, back here because,
No, I'm talking about the
because
car.
of the, oh no, I still can't put him in front.
Diabolical. Meet me in the comments. I'm looking at the tent, y'all. It don't look that dark. I can kind of see through it, and I'm pretty sure dude's camera. Look how much debris is on his camera, so I'm pretty sure the tent thing was bogus. But listen here, man. When they do, they pull you over. They making excuses over with. The chances of you beating that is slim to none, man. They all work together. You got to stop breaking the law. On top of that, I can't say you was breaking the law because they pulled you over on a bogus ticket. They said you had a tent violation. I don't think you look at the tent, Werewolf Pack. It don't look like it's that dark, and it's a rental truck, so you know it's legal. You know ain't no rental truck gonna have illegal tent. So that was a bogus. Now he might be able to get out of this. I don't know if a good lawyer can get him out of this, because I'm not a lawyer. But what y'all think, Werewolf Pack? You think a good lawyer can get him out of this situation? I mean, he does. He is driving in a GMC. So you know them luxurious truck owners, they stick together. But this was a rental. So I'm pretty sure whatever rental company, when they got the truck back, was like, come on, and you know. Now, let's be honest. Because even I was a pookie back in the day. He didn't get the insurance. He did not get the insurance. So this is going down on Nate record. So they insurance rates about to go up because you know Pookster, he lied about his insurance. He showed him some outdated insurance. He said, yeah, I'm going to put it on my insurance. And guess what? He didn't have no insurance. So I'm saying allegedly he didn't have insurance. And this truck was torn up, allegedly. And man, I thought for sure that he went off-road in the truck. Come to find out, man, he flipped the truck over. Well, I say they flipped him over, which is crazy. See, right here, I thought he went off-road on him. I thought when the cop tried to hit him that he still controlled and he just went off-road on him. I thought he just bullied the cop and pushed him over real quick. Come to find out, the cop did him real dirty. He Goldberg speared him. Y'all remember Goldberg used to wrestle for WWC or WCW? Then he went to WWE, aka WWF. He Goldberged him. Remember when Goldberg used to spear him? He used to be like, ah. Diabolical, man. Hopefully y'all enjoyed the police chase, man. Hopefully this was a wonderful police chase. My advice to you, don't run in the GMC because you only can get up to 120, 118, 115. It's not a good vehicle to run in. It don't matter if you got a 6.4 or a 5.3 liter. Hell, if he was in a TRX, it still wouldn't have mattered because even the TRX is governed at 120, 118. So it don't matter how fast you can get there. The cop is going to catch up with you because they're not governed. They're not governed, so they going to catch up to you. They govern, but they not governed at that low of a speed. They govern at like 135, 150, 140. So it just depends, man. But with that being said, man, hopefully y'all enjoyed the police chase. Make sure you hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. And don't forget to give a brother some of those hype points. I love you, baby. I love you, Werewolf Pack. And with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and hit you with some positivity. It's okay to not be where you want to be at in life. Some people take longer than other people. It's okay that you're not right where you want to be in life. Listen, life is life. Life be lifing. You can't give up just because you haven't got to the place you want to be. A lot of people never fully get to where they want to be. The whole object of the game is to be happy. You know, when you finally say, I'm about to take my last breath, you close your eyes and your whole life flashes before your eyes. Hopefully you end up saying, I was happy. I did a lot of things that I wanted to do. I lived a good to great life. I was happy. I tried. I always put forth effort. I gave it my best. It's okay to not achieve every one of your dreams. It's hard to do that. 9 times out of 10, it's not going to happen. The object is to achieve most of your dreams. We don't got a lot of time on this ball of dirt. So it's very, very hard to achieve all your dreams. We don't get a lot of time. We don't get hundreds of years. We only get about 75, 80, if we lucky to get that. You know, that's just you lucky to get that. You know? So stop being mad that you're not exactly where you at. It's okay. You're going to get there. And if you don't, it's okay. You try. Long as you try, everything will be all right. But with that being said, man, we do not condone running from the boys in blue. Absolutely not. Pull that vehicle over. Pull it over, Musty. Pull it over. And take the ticket. And if you get pulled over, just take the ticket. Or go to jail. Don't put other people's lives at risk trying to run from the boys in blue. But, and there always is a but, if you're going to be a diabolic and goofy goofball, make sure, and listen to me good, do not, and I mean repeat, do not run in a GMC Sierra. It's limited to 120.